lovely people, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, doing well. In today's video we are hooking up a beautiful crochet baby skirts designs ideas. Hope you like this video and different collections, so please watch this video till the end without skip and tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Get ready to create a stylish and comfortable garments for your little ones. In this video, we will be making a stylish and gorgeous look crochet baby skirts designs ideas perfect for different occasions. This skirt is sure to impress. So let's get started. First, let's start with the foundation chain. Next, we will add some pattern and texture. To shape the waist belt, we will use different techniques. From sweet and simple to intricacy elegance, we will go a range of designs to inspire you. Whether you are a beginner or an experted crocheter, these designs ideas are amazing and perfect for baby shower, a gift, or just because. We will show you how to create beautiful texture using yarn and techniques, plus got tips on how to customize, how to create crochet baby skirts designs ideas. You can customize the size, color and embellishment to fit your little one's style and size. And as a bonus, we will give you a snack peek into our upcoming tutorial on how to customize, how to create crochet baby skirts designs ideas easily. Feel free to experiment with different yarn, color and embellishment. To make this project unique and special, you can also add a personal touch with a beautiful embellishments like button, beads, pearls, stones, applique work, waist belts, and different accessories you use and decor your crochet baby skirts design easily. Thanks for watching this video till the end, and thanks for stitching along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more ideas, more collection, more designs. If you want more information about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload next video about your comment. Please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more ideas, more collection, more designs. Keep watching my more different ideas till end. Keep praying for me. May Allah live long. Stay happy and stay blessed for me. See you in the next video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel, like my videos. Okay viewers. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.